Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook again. So I'm gonna cook pork kasim with pineapple juice and salted black beans. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, caramel, soy sauce, and then oyster sauce, water, pineapple juice, salted black beans, and then garlic, spring onions, white onions, and then the meat. Pork kasim, I add a little soy sauce and black pepper. We're gonna put the meat first. Isa nilutoon ang pork kasim. Okay guys, ato sa paggawason ng mantika ani guys. Ang itod magawas lang ta ng mantika. Usa pa nato ilunod ang ubang mga sangkap. Okay? Ato lang sugkayon permi guys. Kaya sugkayon permi antod nga makuan yang mantika, magawas maayo yung mantika. Usa pa nato butangan black beans o uban pang ingredients. Okay guys, oh. Sakto na ni siya guys. Ato anang okay, ato nang gisahon ang lamas. Ato ilunod ang garlic guys. Spring onions o white onions. Umot na tayo guys. Tayo na to guys. Okay. Ang oyster sauce. Ito ang black beans. Unya ko nagginhalan pa tag salt please, ato lang ibutangan og soy sauce later. Pero kung dili na, wala na. So ato sad ni apple juice. Okay guys, so ato nang ilunod ang pineapple juice. Okay. Okay guys, wala lang ko magutang og suka kay kuha naman ni ang pineapple juice. Sour na. And the water guys. Okay guys, and then we're gonna cover natod nga malhumok mayo ang pork. Okay guys, luto na siya guys, humok na siya, agid-agid na siya sa humba guys. So this is our pork kasim with pineapple juice and salted black beans. Okay, it's tasting time. Ooh. It's super hot. I'm gonna off the heat na. Our chami guys is very soft. Humo kaayo. Yummy. Guys, so our pork kasim with pineapple juice and salted black beans is done. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bro Jack, to my Instagram D_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Oh, it's super yummy!